Good morning, children. Let's enjoy and learn phonic sounds. A says A. A says A. B says B. B says B. C says K. C says K. D says D. D says D. E says Eh. E says Eh. F says F. F says F. G says G. G says G. H says H. H says H. I says I. I says I. J says J. J says J. K says K. K says K. L says L. L says L. M says M says N says N says O says O. O says O. P says P. P says P. Q says Qu. Q says Qu. R says R. R says R. S says S. S says S. T says T. T says T. U says U says V says V. V says V. W says W. W says W. X says X. X says X. Y says Y. Y says Y. Z says Z. Z says Z. Thank you. Enjoy learning.